But now it's time for our weather with our own Brianna Thomas and Ramon Sanchez.
Thank you, Tatiana. The next 7 days, we're going to expecting some craziness about Pittsburgh spring weather. Can you please tell us about that, Brianna?
Thank you, Ramon. Well, this Monday, we are going to have a Sharkeisha thunderstorm, so be aware, people.
So, it's going to be sunny at first, so it's going to be up to like 80-something degrees. But unfortunately, there's going to be a short rain, which will lead out to a torrential downpour. The next day, unfortunately, there's going to be some sort of blizzard hitting down on us. At the same time, the earth's plate is going to be shifting, so be aware of some sort of earthquake. Can you please tell us about our safety for this earthquake?
The safety precautions are: have your kids, have your wife, go into the basement, make sure there's plenty of food and water, and make sure there's a bathroom right there, bathroom in your basement, so it won't be stinky.
Alright, so that's it for the LHA and news weather. I'm Ramon Sanchez.
And I'm Brianna Thomas.